Hello everyone and welcome to Technology with AK. In this video, I'll teach you how to install metamask on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open your browser, click on three dots, more tools, extensions, three lines, open Chrome Web Store. Now search for metamask. Now click on the first metamask add to Chrome, checking. Add extension. Now it's getting downloaded. Just wait for a while. Now it's added to Chrome. MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Now it's opening. Now this is the welcome page. Click on get started. If you have a wallet, you can import by recovery phrase. But in this video, I'll just create a wallet. Click on I agree. Now I'll just create a password. Now just click on terms, agree the terms of use, just create. Now click on next. Click here to reveal the secret words, and now just take a screenshot. Now click on next. Open the screenshot and just zoom in. And now just select the words correctly in order. And now I have selected all the words in order. Click on confirm. Click on all done. And now your account is created. So guys, I think maybe I will just make another video on what are the settings and how to add smart chain, network and all. But enough for today.